Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and today is such a beautiful day. I mean, look at this. Barely any clouds in the sky, and it's supposed to be 80 degrees. So I figured I would go ahead and take you guys to the beach, but not for a regular beach day. I figured let's get the drone in the sky and give you a bird's point of view of what North Wildwood looks like for this summer. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up, and a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can make fun videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below, and please do make sure you subscribe because we're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by Labor Day weekend. So we should be able to make that. Anyway, let's get started. The reason why I wanted to do just a drone video was because of the whole situation in North Wildwood. If you've been following this channel for a while, you would know that yes, we ran into a little bit of a problem doing a beach replenishment for this year, which means that at high tide, there's a decent amount of the beach in North Wildwood, pretty much from 3rd all the way to 12th Street, that unfortunately, there really is not that much beach to go to. So I've been asked by a lot of people who came down for Memorial Day weekend, hey, what do the beaches actually look like? You know, the city came in and graded down the dunes, they made the beach look nice, but what does it look like? And the only way to really show you is with a drone. And so right now we're walking onto the beach at 22nd Street. Seaport Pier's happening, man. Got a lot of music going on. You can see because the beaches all the way north are small, a lot of people are using this beach. This beach didn't used to be this crowded before. I mean, I've vlogged on this beach many of times. This has always been my beach since I was a kid. And so, I mean, this beach, there never used to be people all the way back to here. It used to be kind of far that way. And you can see how busy it is down here. Very busy. I mean, you got people all the way to the back. Here's a panning view of what it looks like just from here. A lot of people always ask me, why is this? There's never anyone down there. This is for emergency vehicles, so lifeguards, police, and fire if they ever have to come down here. So that's why they always have these long poles on the side. So the wind is a little goofy today. I think we're maybe at 8, maybe 9 knots. So we won't put the drone too high up there, but we're gonna walk to the corner over there and put it in the sky. Before we do, I remind folks, there are a lot of rules flying over people. You really shouldn't be flying over people unless you have a Part 107. A lot of rules and regulations on the FAA website. We are Part 107. But if you are gonna fly down here, please follow those rules because we get a lot of people who break them and crash into people and then, you know, crash into houses and break windows, which causes a lot of problems down here. So if you are gonna fly down here, know the rules and make sure you get your Part 107 or at least go online and take the safety quizzes on the FAA website. Anyway, let's get the Seagull, because we call our drone a Seagull, in the sky. There you guys go. This isn't the highest of tides. You can actually see the water is all the way up to there at high tide. So imagine that moving down. You can kind of see it in the sand as we were flying too. There really isn't much beach over there. And unfortunately, as the summer goes on, it's not going to get bigger. If anything, if we have a couple storms, it could potentially pull more sand out to sea. But hopefully in the fall and then in the spring, we'll get some kind of approval to make sure we have actually a real beach for next summer. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joe, and as always, I'll see you on the beach, which I'm going to go swimming right now. See you later. Bye.